Hey everyone, what's going on? I want to tell you about a product that I'm sure most of you have tried, you've heard of, because they have so many commercials and advertisements for it, but I swear by this if you're having a tummy ache. It is Pepto Bismol Ultra. Regular Pepto Bismol is great too. This is like the cherry flavor. It is a Bismuth Subsalicylate for upset stomach reliever and anti-diarrheal, 2 times the strength per ounce. I know sometimes I've eaten things that have not agreed with me, and then like my stomach will be like killing me. Yesterday I brought this out, actually. I had it in my cabinet sealed still because I always have like a couple bottles of it. But my niece like went out to lunch with us and she chugged like a whole chocolate milk because she's 4 years old, and I'm like, oh my god. Like, of course I have to ask her mother first if it's okay for her to try, but her stomach was killing her and I felt so bad. I'm like, she needs to take something. So, you know, of course I thought of Pepto Bismol. I brought it out. I was going to give it to her, but she ended up being okay. She felt a little bit better after a while, but I swear by this since I was a little kid. Like, it just helps. Pepto Bismol I love, and my Lanza really helped for stomach ache. It's a 5-symptom relief for nausea, heartburn, indigestion, upset stomach, and diarrhea. I think that the flavor is not the worst thing in the world. I think I love that it's pink. I think I always have. So the flavor is not the worst thing in the world. It's a lot better than like a Robitussin or NyQuil or something gross like that. It's very chalky tasting, but not bad. And then this has a little bit of cherry added to it. So it tastes like regular Pepto Bismol, but like with a little bit of cherry. Really not the worst thing in the world, like taste wise. I'm not going to be cringing after I have it. And I actually purchased this several months ago, and it doesn't expire till January 2020. So plenty of time before this expires. I'm sure I'll be through the bottle by then. I also feel like this works a little bit for heartburn, even though it's not for, oh no, it is for that, just kidding. It's good for that too. So drug facts: the active ingredient is Bismuth Subsalicylate, 525 milligrams for upset stomach reliever and anti-diarrheal. That's the purpose. Uses: relieves upset stomach due to overindulgence in food and drink, which of course could happen, including heartburn, belching, indigestion, fullness, nausea, and gas, traveler's diarrhea, and diarrhea. I don't know what traveler's diarrhea is. Warnings: raised syndromes, children and teenagers who have or are recovering from chickenpox or flu-like symptoms should not use this product. When using this product, if changes in behavior with nausea and vomiting occur, consult a doctor because these symptoms could be an early sign of Ray's syndrome, a rare but serious illness. Interesting, never heard of that. So you guys could see here, like the product's like, it's not super thick, but it's not crazy thin either. I like that this is like a plastic bottle, it's recyclable, and I like that you could see the product like right through it. It's a clear plastic container so you guys can see, you know, what it looks like and the thickness and stuff like that, but not crazy thick. But you know, when I take some of this, I usually will have water with it. Then it comes with this, oh, it says P&G, so it's a Procter and Gamble product, and then it has like the little measuring cup built into the plastic, which I like. I usually just take it halfway depending on my stomach, but they have the usage instructions on there on how much you should take, some directions on the back. So allergy alert: contains salicylate. Do not take if you are allergic to salicylates, including aspirin. Taking other salicylate products. Do not use if you have an ulcer, a bleeding problem, or bloody or black stool. Ask a doctor before use if you have a fever or mucus in the stool. Ask a doctor or pharmacist before use if you are taking any drug for anticoagulation. Sorry, pronunciation is horrible. Thinning the blood, diabetes, gout, or arthritis. When using this product, a temporary but harmless darkening of the stool and or tongue may occur. Stop use and ask a doctor if symptoms get worse or last more than 2 days. Ringing in the ears or loss of hearing occurs. Diarrhea lasts more than 2 days. Continued. Drug facts continued. If pregnant or breastfeeding, ask a health professional before use. Keep out of reach of children. In case of overdose, get medical help or contact a poison control center right away. Then, very important directions: shake well before use. Only use a dose cup provided, which is this. Adults and children 12 years of age and older, 15 milliliters, 1 dose every half hour, or 30 milliliters, 2 doses every hour as needed for diarrhea or traveler's diarrhea. 15 milliliters, 1 dose every half hour as needed for overindulgence, upset stomach, heartburn, indigestion, nausea. Do not exceed 8 doses, 120 milliliters in 24 hours. Use until diarrhea stops, but not more than 2 days. Children under 12 years, ask a doctor. Drink plenty of clear fluids to help prevent dehydration caused by diarrhea. Other information: each 15 milliliter dose cup contains magnesium 3 milligrams, sodium 2 milligrams, salicylate 218 milligrams, low sodium, protect from freezing, avoid excessive heat over 104 degrees Fahrenheit or 40 degrees Celsius. Tamper evident, do not use if printed shrink band is missing or broken, which would be this, I think. Yeah, which is easy to rip off, by the way. You can just peel from here. Peel this down and then take the plastic cover off. Inactive ingredients: benzoic acid, DNC red number 22, DNC red number 28, flavor, gel and gum, magnesium and aluminum silicate, methyl cellulose, salicylic acid, sodium salicylate, sorbic acid, sucralose, and water. Questions: that's the number you could call. Versus original Pepto Bismol, distributed by Procter & Gamble in Cincinnati, Ohio. And then there's the website you could go to. Okay guys, so that was Pepto Bismol Ultra in Cherry. I hope that you guys try it out. I told you I swear by this product. If you're having any kind of stomach pain, it works like a charm. Thanks so much for watching, and I really hope that you found the video useful. Thanks.